Hey guys, so today it's Saturday, and I haven't done a lot for my assignments and everything else, just like normal. But yeah, just came from Ringwood. It's nice that I've driven a bit because I love driving, and it eases me up, makes me feel better. But I'm feeling there's a protest somewhere because today's a weekend. Today's a Saturday. I think the last time I saw it was a protest in Bronya. I don't know. I'm in Bronya. I'm pretty scared if they can have protests here. I see a helicopter just hovering around. Just trying to check if some people are following the rules or something. But yeah. Also, we have 450 cases right now. We're going higher and higher, and this sucks. So yeah, definitely it's a what you call this a lockdown. Just trying to get the numbers up for the vaccination because we can't drive it down to zero anymore. This is really tough. Delta's very tough. Yeah, it's gonna be a tough one for us. But anyway, here is some more of my throwback videos. Just enjoy it. I'm not gonna put in new content today. Not feeling it, but yeah, just throwbacks for now. Yeah. 4th of September. We're still struggling. I'm still struggling. Yes, we're still on lockdown. Gotta go back to work. Sunday, September 5. Yeah, so we're ordering some stuffs online and we're gonna be going out a bit right now. Yeah, nothing has changed with our numbers. It's around 190, I reckon. I don't know. I stopped looking. Yep. Outbreak. 6th of August, and yeah, we're still in lockdown right now, and yeah, it still sucks. Yeah, tomorrow around 11:59 p.m., regional Victoria is gonna take off their lockdown. Good for them. Here, we're all still locked down. I just want to travel or get out for a while and yeah, escape for a while. That way I won't really stress out with class. I just want to go out and just want to go out. Maybe shoot a wedding or something. But yeah, we're still locked down. Still ranting. I look like shit. My hair looks like shit. I need a haircut. I need good food. I need to travel. 9th of September. Everything hasn't been good. Yeah. It's really bad. Like, I can't function. And it's weird. Yeah. We're still in lockdown